Good morning, my dear students. Today I am doing the chapter trigonometrical ratio of complementary angle, exercise 21a. Last class I have done number 5 and today I am doing number 6 question. Just to see question number 6, what is given here. Question number 6, prove that tan 10 into tan 15 into tan 75 into tan 80 equal to 1. You have to prove this one. Okay. Question number 6, trigonometry chapter, complementary angle, exercise 21a from the book Innovative Math Books. It's number 6. First part, let me copy the question. Tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree is equal to 1. That you have to prove. This is the question given. First of all, you have to copy the left hand side, which is equal to tan 10 degree, tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree, tan 80 degree. First, you have to copy the left hand side what is given. Now, you see which angles are together will give a 90 degree. That means tan 10 degree, and here 80 degree. Make it separate here. That means tan 10 degree into tan 80 degree. Make it one group. Again, tan 75 means tan 15 and tan 75. Okay. These two angles will give you 90 degree. These two angles also making 90 degree. Now, any one you can break. Tan 10 degree, keep it. Tan 80 degree means you write 90 minus 10. That will give you 80 degree. Here also same thing. Tan 15 degree into tan 75, you write tan 90 minus 15. Because 90 minus 15 will give you 75. After that, tan 10 degree, tan 90 minus theta is how much? Cot theta, that means cot 10 degree. Make it one group here. Into tan 15 into tan 90 minus 15, that means cot 15, tan 90 minus theta, cot 15 degree. Okay, let me write the formula that I have written here. Tan 90 minus theta will give you cot theta. Okay, applying this formula I have written here. Now tan theta into cot theta is how much? 1. Tan theta into cot theta also 1, which is equal to 1. The formula I applied here. What is the formula? Just to see, the formula is tan theta into cot theta. By the reciprocal theorem of trigonometrical ratio, tan theta into cot theta is how much? 1. Therefore, tan 10 into cot 10 1, tan 15 into cot 15 also 1, and 1 into 1 how much coming? 1, which is equal to right hand side. In this way, the first part of number 6 completed. Let us go to the second part. Second part question given, just to see. Second part question given, tan 5 degree into tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree into tan 85. Tan 85 is equal to 1. Same process you have to apply. First of all, you have to copy left hand side. What is your left hand side? That is tan 5. Make it one group here directly. Tan 5 and tan 85. Tan 5 into tan 85. Because these two angles make 90 degree. Make one group here. Again, into tan 10 and tan 80 into tan 80. This make one group. After that, tan 15, tan 70 make another group also. Because these two angles making 190 degree. Now any one you have to change. Tan 5, tan 85 means what? 90 minus 5 degree. I am just changing 85 into 90 minus 5. This is one group right here. Again here, tan 10 degree. 80, tan 80 means what? Tan 90 minus 10. Make it another group. Here also same thing. Tan 15 degree. Tan 15 degree into, I have to change 85. Sorry, 75. Means 75 means what? 90 minus how much? 15 degree. Okay. This is one other group. After that, just to see tan 5 degree, tan 90 minus theta is how much? Cot 5 degree. tan 5 into cot 5. Here tan 10, tan 90 minus tan 90 minus theta is cot, that means cot 10 degree, cot 10. Here also same thing, tan 15 degree, tan 90 minus theta is how much? Cot 15 degree. Now tan 5 into cot 5 1, tan 10 into cot 10 also 1. Here also tan 15 into cot 10 also 1. Since tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1, and another formula that I have written here, and tan 90 minus theta is how much? Which is equal to cot theta. These two formula I applied here. Okay, so finally how much getting? If you multiply 1 in 3 times, that means 1, which is equal to right hand side. In this way, the second part also question completed of number 6. Let us go to the third part of this is the last part of number 6. Third part question given, just to see what is third part given. Let me copy third part of the question. Third part question given, sin 10 into sin 20 into sin 30, and denominator given cos 80 degree, cos 70 degree, and cos 60 degree is equal to 1. Okay, so first of all you have to copy left hand side. What is given left hand side? That is sin 10 degree into sin 20 degree into sin 30 degree by cos 80 degree, cos 70 degree into cos 60 degree. See, sin 10 and cos 80, that means sin 10, cos 80 means you can write here cos 90 minus 10. Okay, make one group here. Second one, sin 20 cos 70 means I can write here 70 90 minus 20. This will make another group. And here sin 30 is how much? Sin 30 is trigonometrical table value. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 also 1 by 2. Make another group. Sin 30 1 by 2, cos 60 also 1 by 2. This will cancel. It is coming sin 10 degree, cos 90 minus theta, that is sin theta, that means sin 10 degree. And here sin 20 degree, cos 90 minus theta is how much? Sin, that means sin 20 degree. And it is cancel 1. Now this is also cancel 1. Here cancel 1. 1 into 1, how much? 1, which is equal to right hand side. Okay, so what is the formula applied here? Cos 90 minus theta only. Okay, cos 90 minus theta formula is sin theta. You have to memorize this one. Next I'm going to number 7. Number 7 question given, find the value of, the first part question given like this, sin 50 degree given, sin 50 degree plus theta minus cos 40 degree minus theta. This is the question you have to find out, you have to evaluate. See, sin 50 degree plus theta given, I can write here 90 minus how much? That will give 50 degree plus theta. If I write here 90 minus 40 minus theta, if I will subtract 90 minus 40 is 50, then this will be plus theta. That means 90 minus 40 minus theta will give you 50 plus theta. Just instead of 50 plus theta, I am writing 90 minus 40 minus, and this one will be like this, 40 minus theta. Now sin 90 minus theta formula is what? That means cos theta, cos 40 minus theta, and here also cos 40 minus theta. Finally it will be cancelled and it will come 0. So what is the answer? 0 coming. See, the second part question given, same type, cos 70 plus theta minus sin 20 minus theta. Okay, any one you have to break. I am breaking the first part. Okay, one more question left, that is last today. Cos 70 plus theta means I can write here 90 minus how much? 90 minus 20 minus theta I write here. That means 90 minus 20 minus theta, if you will subtract, you will give 90 minus 20, 70 or plus theta. Just instead of 70 plus theta, I am writing here 90 minus 20 minus theta. And the second one, keep it like this, 20 minus theta. And this one is how much coming? Cos 90 minus theta is how much? Cos 90 minus theta. You think this is totally theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. That is sin 20 minus theta. Sin 20 minus theta minus sin 20 minus theta. How much you are getting? Both are cancelled, is coming 0. In this one, second part also completed. The last part of this question is just to see. Third part, it is given cosec 65 plus theta minus sec 25 minus theta. In the same way, you have to break. Cosec 65 plus theta means 90, how much? 90 minus, inside bracket write 25, 90 minus 20 will give 65, and here plus theta means I write here minus theta because minus n is there. A minus sec 25 minus theta. Okay. After that, just to apply the formula here. Cosec 90 minus theta will be how much? Sec theta, that is sec of 25 minus theta, and here sec 25 minus theta. Both are same or not? So what is the answer coming? Answer coming 0. In this way, number 7, first part, second part, third part, that is the find the value of, already I have completed. And question number, first part, second part, third part, today I have completed from the exercise 21A from the book Innovative Math Books for class 9. Exercise 21A. The chapter name is Trigonometrical ratio of complementary angle. Just to see trigonometrical ratio of complementary angle. Chapter name is trigonometrical ratio of complementary. Okay. Try to practice in the home. Next day I will do more sum. Thank you for today's class.